Quest 3 unboxing and breakdown. It seems Meta may have intentionally leaked their new headset just to stir up hype. Today, we're diving into an unboxing and breakdown of the remarkably leaked Meta Quest 3 VR headset. The amount of insider info out there makes it seem like Quest 3's launch is just a formality at this point. We've seen it all already thanks to brave leakers risking NDAs. Multiple unboxing videos have mysteriously surfaced showcasing the Quest 3 before its official reveal. Let's crack open this box and see what awaits inside. Right off the bat, the compact packaging stands out. This box is teeny compared to previous models. Opening the top flat unveils the Quest 3 snugly nestled into custom phone cutouts. The svelte profile immediately demonstrates how lightweight the new design is versus the Quest 2. Gingerly removing the headset provides our first up-close look at the sleek aesthetics. The front is occupied by those three outward-facing cameras, resulting in a distinctive cyclopean appearance. The soft strap uses a forked shape for enhanced weight distribution and balance. Flipping the headset over exposes the volume rocker and IPD adjustment wheel along the bottom rim. The charging port resides on the side, while the new round power button should be simpler to locate than the Quest 2's oblong button. An exciting upgrade is the ability to slide the facial interface inward and outward to suit glasses instead of changing to a separate spacer. This should streamline switching between glasses and no glasses. The redesigned touch controllers display a snazzy two-tone color scheme and contoured handles that should provide a comfortable, ergonomic grip. The simple battery design means no more troublesome battery covers to pry off and potentially lose. In terms of audio, the built-in off-ear speakers deliver immersive spatial audio that surrounds you, though you can still utilize headphones via the 3.5mm jack for a more private, isolated listening experience if desired. Moving on to comfort, the new facial interface feels plush and breathable, a remarkable improvement over the abrasive foam of the Quest 2. It should provide a soft, gentle feel against your face, even during marathon VR sessions. One of the most convenient perks of the Quest 3 is the addition of an official charging dock, as evidenced by those three metallic contact points on the bottom. Just place the headset on the dock and it will automatically start charging after playtime concludes, with no need to fiddle with cables every time. For dedicated VR fans, the ability to incorporate accessories like premium head straps and battery packs helps amplify immersion. With Quest 3, Meta has checked all the boxes: power, comfort, and accessibility in a reasonably priced bundle. This may be their most impressive headset yet. While we don't have an official release date or price yet, the avalanche of leaks and insider buzz implies Quest 3 could drop any day now. Will you be grabbing one on launch day? Let us know what entices you most about Quest 3 in the comments. And that concludes our extensive unboxing and first impression. The Quest 3 looks primed to propel standalone VR to new heights, with compelling upgrades across the board. It's an easy recommendation for both VR enthusiasts and newcomers. Massive thanks to all the intrepid leakers who provided early previews of this headset. Meta should just recruit you as marketing talent at this point. What other headsets are you thrilled about? Pico, Apple, HTC? Let me know what other unboxings you might want to see on the channel. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and enable notifications. See you in the next one.